Now let's start. Now let's learn conversion of expression. What this conversion of expression means? Converting the infix expression to postfix, infix to prefix, or prefix to postfix, or postfix to infix. Like that, vice versa. We can convert from one expression to the another expression is nothing but the conversion of expression. Let's see one of the example for this. I will take a star b plus c. Before solving this expression, what you have to do means you have to check the precedence as well as the priority. Which is having the precedence? Star is having the highest priority. Next plus is having the next priority. Before, so I will take a star b. Instead of a star b, I will write here a star b, right? A star b is equal to, I will put t1. So a star b means I will put here t1 plus c. T1 plus c means what you have to do here? T1 plus c. For T1 plus c, what I will do? T1 plus c, I will put here again T2. Next, for T1 plus c, I have put it here T2. Then, what you have to do here is whether they have asked you to convert this. This is an infix expression, right? How you will say it is an infix expression? Because the operator is in between the two operands. So what the a star b plus c, star is having the highest precedence and plus is having the next precedence, and the associate is from left to right. So what you are taking a star b as the first. For a star b you have put a t1, right? Next t1 plus c, it becomes t1 plus c. Next for t1 plus c, what you have put a t2. See here, we have taken t1 plus c equal to t2. Next, whether you are converting this expression to the prefix or the postfix. How to convert? If it is a star b, see here, a star b, you have put a t1, right? Are you converting it to the prefix? Means prefix means before the operands, right? What it will become? Star ab, right? If you are converting, I will convert this infix to prefix. So this a star b becomes star ab, t1 plus c becomes plus t1 c. Then what's the t2? T2 you are converting to the, so what it will becomes? Plus t1 c. For t1, what is the prefix you have? T1, that is here you have, right? T1, that is star AB, plus, as it is right down, for the T1 what you have to do? Plus star ABC. This is what your conversion of infix to the prefix. Let's see one more example. I will take here this one, a star b divided by d plus e. Then let's see which is having the precedent priority. Star and division is having the highest priority. Again plus, but the associate is from left to right. So first I will take this one, right? First I will solve this one, means I will put t1 is equal to a star b. When it converts to the prefix, what happens? It is plus star ab. So I will put here t1 divided by d plus e. Then you have to solve this one, right? Division and the division here, and here it is addition. So you have to solve this one. I will put here t2, t1 divided by d. It means prefix is converted to divided by t1 d. Then I will put here t2 plus e. See here, for this expression you have put a t2. For this one a star b you have put a t1. Next for the t2 plus e, I will take t3, that is t2 plus e. When it converts to the prefix, what happens? Plus t2e. Then I will put here t3. Then substitute the values here. For the t3, what's the prefix expression you have got? Plus t2e, right? For the t2, you have what the expression you have got? Plus, next divide t1 d, right? Next plus divide for the t1, what's the expression you have got? Star ab, and put the expression A, B, D, E. This is what your conversion of infix to post prefix.